Happy today, friends, and thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making chicken and collard greens, and the ingredients are seasoned salt, sliced onions, sliced white onions, margarine, black pepper, minced garlic in the jar, some chicken bouillon, and some red pepper. Here I have 4 chicken thighs that I'm going to place in this pot and let boil. We're going to let them boil until they're done. And next I'm going to show you what to do with the greens. We're going to take our greens and put them into the water that I've already put into the sink. And you just wash and you take them over, put them to the other side. To drain. Let me wash one really good. I'm going to show you how to cut it. And you repeat that about 3 times. If they're really dirty, you get a dirty batch, you do it about 4 times. But you let your water out, and this is how you check. This is how you check and see if they're after your water drains, you kind of like feel the bottom. If you feel any grit, then you know you need to continually clean them. When you drain it for that last time, there should be nothing at the bottom of this bowl here. And I'm going to show you right quick how to get the vein out of it, whatever you call it, I don't know. But I don't like them because I think they're bitter. You can either pick them like this, or you can take your knife. Just cut it open, whatever's quicker for you. And then I cut them in half, all of them, and I'll put them together, like just a bunch of them, and I'll roll them. And me, I slice them in the middle. Be careful of your finger if your knife is really sharp. And then there you have it. Now we're going to check on our chicken. Okay, I've removed my chicken from the pot and I've separated my broth. Let's see how clear it is with my chicken separated. See how it separates the fat? I mean from my fat separator. I said chicken, excuse me. It separates the fat from the broth. That way you'll get a clear broth. Then, show you how you do it right quick. Release the broth. That's hot. Hold on. You release the broth and it'll leave the fats, and then you toss that out. We don't want the fat, we just want the broth. And I'm going to do one of these well, a couple, but you take the fat off. We don't want that either. We're going to throw that away. And you just shred your chicken. Do it with your hands or whatever's convenient for you. I probably will, but I think it's still a little hot. And I'm going to finish these up. And I'll be back to show you what to do next. I'm going to add my broth that I got from my chicken back into the pan. Careful because it's still hot. Now that it turns up, I'm going to take my greens. Add them into the pot. Going to add chicken back into the pot. If you have too much, you can always freeze it and use it for chili or some other dish that needs shredded chicken. And I'm going to add seasoning salt. My garlic to the sink, some bouillon, onions, some red pepper, and margarine. We're going to cover and bring it to a boil, and when it starts to boil, bring it down to a medium and let it cook. And I'll be back when it's done. Okay, I've added, as it cooked, I added more margarine, some garlic powder. Well, here it is. It's chicken and greens, side of onions, some red pepper, and some cornbread. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Go ahead, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And today is a good day to do something nice for someone. And until next time, be well.